Hi, this is a special announcement from my channel, Dudley Toolwright. I recently had a video uploaded where I showed my custom edge finder with an idea I took from Tom Lipton, and it lets you find the edge on a part specifically at an angle like this. And right now, trying to find the edge with this corner that's been chamfered would be really hard. A custom 3D printed a case to protect the edge finder. The edge finder itself is EDM cut from surface ground stock. It is a 1/2 inch thickness, which is not really important, but you can use as a gauge block if you'd like. More importantly is this diameter is exactly a 1/2 inch or very, very close, within millionths of an inch, 50 millionths, I believe. This plane and this plane go right through the center of this edge, so you can find the corner of a part. You take your edge finder, come on this side, halfway over would be this edge. A very useful tool. The reason I'm making this announcement is that I had a few extra of these made. So if you'd like to have one, just send me an email to dudley.toolwright@gmail.com. That's dudley.toolwright, TOOLWRIGHT@gmail.com. And I'd be happy to sell you one. I'm selling them for $55. I originally sold them to a couple people for $45, thinking that was my cost. Turns out that's a little under my cost. I owe sales tax as well. So I'm selling for $55 so I don't actually lose money on them. This wasn't a profit-making venture. I was just making these to send to a few of my YouTube friends and to have a couple myself. So if you're interested, drop me a line. Again, not a profit-making venture. They're still expensive because having things EDM cut out, even in China, is still expensive. My prices were more than I originally thought. Here in the United States would have been over $100 a piece just to have them made. Anyways, thanks a lot. They're D2 tool steel and about Rockwell 58.